A message from the Seattle Supersonics.
We're sorry. We're really, really sorry. We didn't mean to lose. It just sort of happened. I mean, those guys on that Denver team, they're tall. I mean, here we are with the ball, and the next thing you know, they're all around us, and they're just so tall. And then they'd get the ball, and they'd shoot it, and it'd go right through that thing. And, you know, what are we going to do? And Peyton was late getting to the Coliseum. I don't know what he was doing. I mean, I guess he could have been doing anything, but he wasn't there. He should have been there, but instead he was off doing, well, I don't know what. Maybe he was... Well, it doesn't matter. I mean, I read those articles of his, too, but damn it, we had a game to play against that other team with those really, really tall guys.